It's out time to find some snails to eat in Siraban, Blitar. This area is famous for the snail eating, like in the restaurant, small restaurant like this one. There are some restaurants in here, but we choose the last one, the pink color one. The benefits of snail that are currently popular are related to skincare, but apparently snail also have various health benefits for other body parts. The Indonesian Food Composition Data Site owned by the Indonesian Ministry of Health states that every 100 grams of snail meats contain nutrition such as protein 48.7 grams, fat 20.3 grams, carbohydrates 15.8 grams, and etc. There are a lot of minerals and also some nutrients in. A study published in the Journal of Fisheries Science described that escargot meat is considered to have high nutritional value because it is rich in essential amino acids, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. And interestingly, we can also make escargot as a diet food because it is low in fat but high in protein.